Hi, this is an AI-based course creator which I created. It turns storyboards into courses. Here's how it works. First, we have to select the AI model we want to use. You can find hundreds of models online, and this drop-down menu is going to show all the models that I've downloaded onto my computer. For this video, I'm going to use Google's open source model, Gemma 3, because it's one of the most capable models that I can run on my computer. Next, we have to feed in the storyboard into the software. So I've already prepared a storyboard. I used AI to generate the storyboard. I'm gonna copy it into this text box over here. And then finally, I just have to hit the generate course button. The rest of the work is going to be done by my computer. One nice thing about this course creator is that the AI model is running locally on my computer. So all the data is processed locally and privacy is guaranteed. So as you can see, I'm not even connected to the internet, but these slides are still being generated. Unfortunately, this means that it'll take some time to generate the slides because my computer is kind of slow. But if you are part of an organization, you'll probably have access to more powerful computers, and it'll probably take something like a few seconds to generate a slide. I think now it takes about a minute, or sometimes it can take up to 2 minutes. Yeah, it's already generated one slide, as you can see. So let's wait for this to generate all the slides, and I'll show you the course it generates. It's been almost 9 minutes and the course has generated. You can preview this course in this tiny box here. So there's text, there's images, there's nice navigation. You can use these buttons for navigation, or you can use the sidebar. And there are even quizzes. So there's this MCQ here. What is the primary function of the Google search bar? I believe it's to enter your search query. So it tells you if you're correct, it tells you if you're wrong, and so on. I think they even link which work, and finally they also fill in the blanks. So looks like the answer to this fill in the blank is Scholar. So yeah, once you've reviewed your course and you're happy with it, you can download it as an HTML file, and then you can see it. You can post it wherever you want. Here's how I created the course creator. I first carefully came up with this prompt over here. This came after a few attempts, and this has all the instructions that an AI needs to code this app. So I fed this prompt into Gemini and I got some code. As you can see, this prompt is quite long and it's very specific. In spite of being so specific, the code that Gemini created was still full of bugs. So I had to manually debug all the bugs, which took quite a while. For this app, the backend uses Ollama, which is an open source framework for running large language models locally. And the front end is just HTML. So all this is just HTML. If you have any thoughts or questions about this, feel free to get in touch with me.